name's Guy Schooley. I'm one of the deputy heads here at Amity International School. Just like to extend our thanks to Melon and the team at KFI Global, sponsored by Emirates NBD Bank, for their financial literacy programme that they have run with our pupils today. Our Year 10 and Year 12 pupils really got a lot from the programme, and hopefully it will lead to them making better financial decisions in the future.
Hello, my name is Florence, and today we took part in the KFI Global programme where we learnt about money management and our futures.
I am Arman Nias and I'm head boy at Amity International School. Today I really enjoyed the KFI Global program.
Hi, my name is Melon, and today we took part in the KFI Global program. The program was really engaging, interactive and valuable to me because I feel like this program will really help me in the real world.
Hello, my name is Lana Bray Murphy and I'm a Year 10 student. Personally, going into this program, I didn't think that I would find it enjoyable, yet it has really opened my eyes into money management.
My name is John Mark and I'm a Year 10 student at Amity. I really enjoyed this session because KFI Global have opened my eyes to things that would have never crossed my mind.
Before this programme, I was so anxious and so unaware of what was to come in my future. And by taking part in this programme, it really informed me on what to expect and things that I would never have thought of before. So thank you very much.
I would definitely recommend this program for many more students as it can teach them how to approach many financial situations in the future. I would also like to thank Emirates NBD for giving us this opportunity.
In today's volatile world, it's incredibly important that we understand money management, and today gave us an insight into how to plan our finances before we step into the real world. Thank you to Emirates MBD for the invaluable experience.
I would 100% recommend this program for other students since they would prepare them for the real world. And I would finally like to thank Emirates NBD for this amazing program.
I highly recommend this program for the students, and thank you to Emirates NBD.